Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing here some trade based on volume signal. So let's start. So this is Euro USD pair and market is strong uptrend market. Now market is falling down. Yes, I already get a signal by the side of volume analysis, but it may very late entry I think, but no problem. I think market obviously closed below my entry point because I took here a 3-minute trade. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is my winning trade. I am explaining here the reason of my taking the trade. Observe here, previous market is a strong downtrend market and there is a round number here. From this round number, market goes up to this 50 EMA. This is another resistance level. Market break this level and again go to this resistance level, and this candle is my volume signal. This inverted hammer candle, or this is called shooting star or pin bar candle, is my confirmation candle that market in this candle volume high here from previous 2 bar. So this is my confirmation that market obviously fall down from this level. That's why I immediately place my trade to the lower direction for 3 minutes. This is my very late entry, but I think market obviously fall more down and obviously close below my entry point. Market closed below my entry point and this is my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. This is USD JPY pair and market is previous market is strong downtrend. Now market is minor trend also downtrend here. Yes, I get a signal here. I place my trade to the upper direction. So let's see what will happen here. I place my trade to the upper direction for 3 minutes. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is my winning trade. I am explaining here the reason of my taking the trade. So observe here, market condition is not good here. So many doji candles and long wicks, small candle in this market. So I actually place my trade based on these two candles, this doji candle and this bearish candle. So observe, this candle's volume high here, this candle's volume very low here. So this all volumes and this candle's volume also low here. So this all candles volume very weak, very low. This candle's volume high, but after this candle low volume, and I find a doji candle, dragonfly doji candle in this 50 MA. This 50 MA now act as a support level. That's why I immediately place my trade to the upper direction for 3 minutes. Market 2 candle goes down, this candle strongly goes up, and this is my winning trade. So I find the weakness of these candles by volume analysis. So the sellers are showing weakness again and again. That's why buyers enter very strongly, and this is my winning trade. So try to place your trade by volume analysis. 3 to 5 minute trade, it's good for volume analysis and it helps to win our trade easily. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. So this is AUD USD pair, and market is uptrend market, previous market, and market is moving in a range here. Yes, I already get a signal here. So I place here 3 minute trade to the upper direction. This is also a level here. So let's see what will happen here. I think market obviously close above my entry point. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is my another winning trade. I am explaining here the reason of me taking the trade. So observe here, the previous market was uptrend market because market is moving above 50 MA, 30 MA and 20 MA. I get a signal here. This is my signal by the side of volume analysis. This candle is my signal. So this candle's volume low, this candle's volume is low than previous two bars, two candles volume. So I get this signal here, but I place my trade, there is previous level here. I place my trade at this level. When we find any signal, we have to wait for next level. When market reach next level, we immediately place our trade to the direction of the trend. This is now, market is now slowly going upward direction, and this is my signal. That's why when market came to this support level, SNR level, I immediately placed my trade to the upper direction. Market strongly goes up, and this is my winning trade. This is the power of volume signals. This is all about my today's trading. So place your trade by volume analysis by this way. I think most of your trade will be winning trade. So you have to combine price action and volume analysis, then your winning ratio will be more than 90%. So this is guaranteed. So if anybody want to learn price action and volume analysis, contact with me by telegram @trustedbnry. So thank you for watching my videos.